Hey, what's up guys? It's the Meridian Apurture back with another video, and this is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. This was announced very recently alongside the more expensive counterpart, the Galaxy Z Fold 3. It's available in 4 different colours, one of which is matte, that's matte black, and then all the others which are glossy, lavender, green and cream. You can also get 3 more colours from Samsung's website which all have a beautiful matte finish, and that's white, pink and grey, and today we have the white model. Now the first interesting thing you'll see is that on the packaging it doesn't have one colour, it's multiple colours on the Z logo, which I do like. It's a very colourful box, apart from the black cardboard of course. Just have the Samsung logo on the side. It's a very thin box because once again we don't have a charging brick in the box, but I don't really mind at all because I have many charging bricks to use, but of course that's not everybody's use case. So let's open up this phone, shall we? So we have 2 seals at the bottom. Just be careful if you're using a knife. Let's turn it over and pull off the top to reveal the phone inside. Now this looks very similar to the original Z Flip, which I did not have the privilege of using or unboxing, but here we are. So this is the Z Flip 3, and on the back is that lovely matte white glass, and I love the contrasting look, the matte white and black. It's kind of like Star Wars Stormtrooper kind of look. So let's peel off this plastic. Oh, this is a bit weird. I think it's sideways this time, is it? Yes, it is. So you pull from the edge and across like that. Just some plastic there. That's the phone itself. Looks very, very nice. Oh, I love that look. It's so pretty. You do have to wait, or I had to wait anyway, a bit longer for this one because it was an exclusive colour, but I'm so glad because it looks so pretty. Let's do the first fold. Oh, that is so satisfying. To know that I'm bending a phone is so alarming, but at the same time pretty satisfying. Let's see if you can hear a click. That's lovely. And so I will unbox the rest and then take a look at this in a minute. So let's put that to one side, of course being careful as it's a delicate thing. In the box you just have this sleeve and then that's it. In here I believe it's just all your paperwork. So that's also your USB-C to USB-C cable. And then the rest of your respective paperwork. I think everybody has read one of these or just ignored all of them, which I have because nobody reads these. But let's have a look at the main event, which is the Galaxy Z Flip 3. Oh, that is beauty. And it feels really, really smooth and just gorgeous. Now, one of the big changes they made from the original Galaxy Z Flip and the Z Flip 5G is that the screen here is much, much larger. The original screen was only 1.1 inches, this is 1.9 inches. So it's going to be a lot more usable than the previous one. So let's get a look at the main event, which of course is the Z Flip 3. So I'm going to unfold it and remove the rest of the plastic so we can have a good look at it. So that's the plastic off, and now let's have an actual look at the phone. On the left hand side it's completely blank apart from the antenna bands, 4 of them, and the SIM card tray. On the bottom we have just a speaker your USB-C port, 2 more microphones, and then a couple more antenna bands, and then you have these little nibs at the top. That's so when the device closes, it's not going to be touching itself. So it's kind of protection, if you like. On the right hand side, we've got the volume rocker, the power button, which duals as a fingerprint sensor. So we'll take a look at that when I do my full review, and 4 more antenna bands. There's a lot of antenna bands on here. On the front is our foldable 6.7-inch display with a 1080p resolution, and you've got a hole punch camera, and there is a pre-installed screen protector, and this is the part which Samsung says is much more durable, and from just touching it, doesn't feel too much different from my regular S21 phone. It feels a little bit like glass. Not quite, but almost. We have these little caps here at the side. These are going to help to keep the dust out, and of course when it folds, they stop it from entering the device. It's connected together by magnets when you close it, and that holds the 2 bits together. Closed, it's not completely flat, there is a bit of a gap, but it's nice just to have something this small to put in your pocket so you don't have a massive phone sticking into you when you bend down, for example. Back to the cameras, just to show you, the camera bump is very minor. There's barely a bump there at all. And especially because I'm going to be using a case, it won't rock on the table anyway, but there's barely a camera bump there at all. So they've managed to get the cameras to be slim enough to fit inside very nicely. Just gotta love this white and black look, it's so pretty. Take off the other sticker here. And in the UK, unfortunately, we have all of this text down here, which I really wish wasn't there, but it is what it is, and it's the UK. So we have to deal with these. I think in the US and in other markets, you don't have this information down here. On the rear, of course, we have our 1.9-inch rear display, and that's about it. The other thing I've also noticed is that the frame itself is matte, and it's a bit flatter on the sides to the touch. It's not as curvy as most phones. I'll see if I can give you a better view if I do it to the side like so. It's just a little bit flatter, and it looks very nice. So that is my unboxing of the Galaxy Z Flip 3. I will have more videos coming up very soon reviewing the phone, and I've also got a Samsung case coming. It's one of the ring cases, and I've ordered the navy one, which I think will look very pretty along with this device. But overall, my first impressions are very good. It does feel very sturdy and like a final polished product. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please leave a like down below, comment and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.